to Mix and Mix. Today we are making cute and colorful DIY rings from paper. They are super fun and super easy. Let's get started. The materials you'll need are paper in these measurements and anything to decorate with. Step 1. We will fold the paper twice. Step 2. Now we will open the folded paper and fold it again. Step 3. Now we will fold it again. Step 4. Now we will attach it together. Step 5. Now you will decorate it however you like. Your rings are ready to shine. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.